guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Lilly. On my channel, I focus on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If that's something that sounds interesting to you, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and tell a friend. Come join the Lilly gang. It's lit over here, okay? Stay tuned for my next video.
And if the beat live, you know Lil Juke made it.
Hey guys, today I will be doing a makeup haul featuring Morphe and MAC Cosmetics. Typically, my skin type is combination to oily. However, as of lately, my skin has been extremely oily. So I picked up a few new makeup items from these two brands to help combat my oils. The first brand I would like to discuss is Morphe. I picked up this 18T Truth or Bare makeup palette. It consists of 18 neutral shades. I'm gonna swatch 3 of my favorites. Let's see. In my crease, I would typically use this shade Candid. This is what it's given. A neutral. This shimmery shade called The Truth. That's really pretty. And I also really like this brown shade called Reveal. And last but not least, this shade called Confession. Really pretty. Next, I picked up a baking powder. This is Morphe Bake and Set Powder, Setting Powder, and the shade Banana Rich. Before, in the past, I've used MAC's Translucent Powder. But at the time, I think I was really heavy with it. I got a lot of flashback, and I just stopped baking with it altogether. But now, fast forward, I'm more experienced with my makeup, and I decided to get the Morphe Banana Rich Setting Powder. I like the yellow undertone. This will cut down the flashback that I experienced with the white translucent powder from MAC. So I'm pretty sure me setting my highlight under my eye, my T-zone, and probably mostly all over my face will help me reduce the oily look I'll get at the end. And last but not least, I picked up this beauty blender from Morphe. I picked up this beauty blender with the flat edge because I love pressing in my liquid concealer with the flat edge and then buffing it out with this rounded end. So I'll do a water test on this beauty blender to see how much I really like it, because they always apply differently when damp or wet. The next brand I purchased from was MAC Cosmetics. Back to the basics, y'all. I know there are so many makeup brands out now where, like, before MAC was the brand everyone ran to, but there's so many other different makeup brands out here. But I decided to get back to the basics, and I went for MAC. I picked up the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Matte Finishing Spray. Years ago, I used the regular Fix Plus spray, setting spray, and it did me well, but shake it up a little bit. This is the matte finished spray, so we'll see how much I like this. With this Prep and Prime stick, this is a poreless refining stick, and I picked this up because I do have deep pores and they often pop out in my pictures, they pop out in my makeup, and no one wants to see your pores, honey. So I got this stick. It's smaller than I assumed it was going to be, but it's fine. Let's see how much is on here. Okay, not too bad. Yeah, it doesn't smell too great, but I'm excited. So this is a Prep and Prime Pore Refining Stick. Next, I picked up this Hyper Real Glow Palette from MAC. The shades are Gold Coasting, Get It Glowing, and Roasty Sheer. So these are the colors. It's so hard picking up the perfect highlighter, especially since we can't go into the stores right now and try on the highlighters. I was extremely nervous about buying this palette, but this is the deepest palette they had. Also had that problem a lot. I don't know if you guys do, but oftentimes palettes are not geared for this melanin, honey. They be ashy, and it's just like, no, I'm brown, honey. I need some golden highlights. So let's swatch these and see how I like it. First, let's swatch Gold Coasting. Okay. It's a little ashy. I would probably use that under my eyebrows and the tear ducts to highlight. And color is called Get It Glowin'. Okay. Not too bad. Almost looks similar to this. I don't know, guys. Almost looks similar. All right. Last but not least, Roasty Sheer. Okay. Oh, that's really pretty. All right. That's really pretty. But yeah, I probably will mix them together. Lastly, MAC was having a sale on their minis. I don't know if it was buy one get one free, or you purchase one for $5 and you get a free one with your orders over $50 or something like that. But I got this lip gloss. Can never have too many lip gloss. Back in the day, y'all know MAC lip gloss was it, period. Like, everybody was going crazy over MAC lip gloss. But this is in the color See-Thru. I'll swatch it. It's just a nude lip gloss. It's pretty. And I got this mini lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy. I love Velvet Teddy. Super pretty. Okay guys, I'm back. I did do my brows off camera because, honey, these quarantine brows need a little extra TLC. If you're interested in how I achieve my brows, please comment below and I will consider doing a brow tutorial. So to start, I am going to use the Prep and Prime Pore Refiner. Smells so good. I use Maybelline FitMe Matte Poreless Foundation. I use shade 338 and 335. I mix them both together. Buffer brush of your choice. I think this brush came from BH Cosmetics. Mix it all together and apply it to your face. When you're doing your makeup, don't forget your neck, okay? You don't want to see any harsh lines. You have to blend. Blend it down as much as possible, or as much as you need to. Then I like to go in with a damp beauty blender to blend out the makeup, the foundation. So we're going to test this out. This is the red one that I got from Morphe. First impression is fairly tough. So for me, a tougher beauty blender I like to use to press in powder and or to press in liquid foundation under the eye. Typically, it's a little dirty, don't judge me. I like to use this black spongy beauty blender. Okay, next I'm going to go on with my highlight. I use the Morphe cream highlighter, and this is in the shade Jesus, I can't see. C3.35. I can't see. Secondly, I'm going to use a Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. It's in a lighter shade. This is a light medium warm. So I'm going to use the both of these. I like to bring it down just right above where I apply my highlighter. So right about here. All right, let's try out this Morphe Beauty Blender. It definitely presses it well on the skin. I'm satisfied with that. Okay. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. And you can take it up if you want. I know it almost seems like you're highlighting your big forehead, but we're going to conceal it back down. We'll contour it back down, so don't worry. Okay, I'm going to go back in with my favorite blender. I don't remember where I got this from. I ain't gonna lie. I don't remember. Okay. Now that we're all blended, I'm gonna go back in with that second concealer, Smashbox. The Beauty Blender. I really love this pointed edge because when you're going in close to your nose like this, it really helps you get in there. Especially for those ladies who really like contouring your nose. I'm not too heavy into contouring my nose, but this edge really helps you get in that area. I love that. Okay. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Butter Rich Setting Powder. Gonna slightly put it under my eye and in my T-zone. So while that bakes for a little bit, I'm going to go on to my contour. It's really cute. It comes with this little brush. It gives me Tiki vibes. It's cute. Just blend it out. But I like to sit it right under the cheekbone and etch out your cheekbone like that. Brush it in an upward motion. I like to go below the jawline, cinch in that double chin, babe. Ready to take this off because I don't want to bake too long. Take a little bit up to my brow. Okay. And then I like to cut my contour with the Morphe concealer again. Right under that line. Just to cinch in my jawline. Line is, if you just go like this with your mouth, it creates that line for you. But as you get comfortable with it, you can just eyeball. Okay, now I'm gonna go in for some blush. The MAC blush I have, it's old, okay, but it's in the shade Raisin. Okay. This highlight, this baking powder is giving me a little bit of yellowish type backflash, but it's not terrible. Also, once I set my face, it won't look like this. I typically do my eyeshadow first if I'm going for a bold eye, but I'm going for a more neutral eye, so I'm going to go back and do a little bit of shadow. So I'm going to prime my eye with my Morphe concealer. Going into my Morphe palette, I will be using Candid and Reveal in my crease, and on my lid I will be using Unveiled, and probably in my outer corner I'm going to use Tell It All. Okay, using the same small dome brush, I'm going into my outer corners with Tell It All. Going back with my concealer brush, I'm going to cut the corners of my eyes a little bit. I said I was going to do natural, didn't I? Well, that's what we got, okay? My natural always goes dramatic. That's why I don't wear eyeshadow, but yeah. I am going to do my mascara and lashes. Okay, this is the finished look. I'm so happy with the results. What you guys think? Let me know what your favorite product was in the comment section below, and let me know what your makeup routine is lacking, okay? Also, let me know if you would like a separate brow tutorial. I don't mind creating a separate video to target the brow. If you enjoyed my content today, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't hesitate to tell a friend to come join the Lilly gang because it's lit over here and you know it, okay? I love you guys for watching.
If the beat live, you know Lil Juke made it.